Greetings, Smart Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert an Excel spreadsheet into PDF. Yes, some person might not familiar with that. Some person might not sure that that was possible. Yes, but I'm going to guide you. Oh, you can actually convert your spreadsheet into PDF. So I'm going to walk you through that. All right, it's very important. So they can see right here, we have the spreadsheet right here. So the first thing we wanted to do, go to your left, click on Word file. Notice when I come right here and click on Word file, bring up this particular area, home, right? And notice it adds the info, save as, print, share, export. So what I want to focus on is export. Now when I click on export, it's right here, create PDF document right here, XPX. So you're going to come right here in the middle right here, that's a create. I'm going to click on that. Notice when I click on that, and notice it's saving type, right? So I'm gonna put something right here as me. Now when I finish, I want to make sure I save that and accept. So I'll come right here and click right here and accept. And notice I come right here as a cancel, as a publish. I want to click right here and write publish. All right, definitely. Can I publish? And definitely. So this is a for PDF document right here. Yes. So if when I minimize this right here, if you notice, this itself is my spreadsheet. So now this is the PDF. Now I can actually convert it into. Those up here so shows a PDF. So this is where you can actually convert your spreadsheet into PDF. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.